down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Unice Hair. Same packaging as last time. Red box. So as I open the box, I see the wig. I can see that it's a body wig that we're working with today. I got a card. It says cannot be defined. You know, it's a usual information card. You know, it's talking about how you can get cash back and get coupon codes and stuff like that. Also, I got a goodie bag and I got an elastic band. Lastly, it's branded Unice. I love getting these because you need to melt that lace. So in the goodie bag, I got a wig cap. I got a scarf. I got some clips. And I got a pair of lashes. So today's wig that we're working with is actually a lace closure wig, guys. It's actually like a 4x4 medium brown lace. Okay, inside the cap has a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back, and it has a center part. It looks really good. It is lightly pre-plucked. You could go in and pluck it more if you wish, but as you know, one of the easiest wigs to apply, apart from a headband wig or is a closure wig all the time. So easy. Doesn't take any time. It's really nice and full. It's actually 24 inches long. I'm going to put the specifications as it relates to the density and all that good stuff. Also, the direct link will be in the description box. But I do love how full it is. It's full right to the tip, and the classic body wave pattern. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply this. I'm actually excited for today's wig because I'm not gonna lie, the construction looks really nice and flawless, and this is a 4x4 as I mentioned before. Super quick install, super quick. And you know what I've realized since recently? I realized that a lot of females been like requesting to just wear more lace closures, and that's because of the convenience. That's what I realized. When you get a nice natural looking lace closure that you can just finesse and it looks like a lace frontal, that's just life. It can even be a little bit less high maintenance because it's a mid portion alone that you're focusing on, it makes it easier to like wear for a longer period, as opposed to when you have the air portion to deal with, and if it start lifting, you have to dedicate so much time to laying it back. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you see, kind of like one spray right across, bam, and then it dry it down, and then I use my elastic band to just ensure that the lace is seeping in and well melted and seamless. And I did my little swoops, as you can see. I kind of fast forwarded to that. It's nothing that you've never seen, and you really don't even need to do those if you don't want to. You guys know I love to do my swoops, so I just kind of perfected the center part there and highlighted it and make it look better with some concealer on the right tail part of my comb later on in the video. Before I move on to that though, as you can see, I'm using my hot comb to lay, and this was really what helped everything to look even more like a frontal because it's laying so flat.
You're dragging me. It's constantly. No,
okay, so I decided that it's laying so flat. Can we talk about that? It is giving frontal, not closure. That is always the aim with me. Always the aim. I'm like hot comb really just helps to get it super flat. So this is how the curves that you can make, the ways that you can make it look naturally. But today I'm actually going to go in and do really different ways with my curling iron. Get it more precise and get those nice, big, sexy waves. Actually here, as I said, I just move on to curling up the hair, and you see I perfected the parting and everything. It looks so good, guys, so good. So I definitely recommend a lace closure wig if you don't have the time of the day and you just kind of want to speed up the whole installation process and look good at the same time. It's a 10. It's a win in my book.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the butterfly you tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself.
Okay, so I'm all done with curling up everything. So now that I feel like, you know, the curls are cool, I'm just gonna unravel everything. This is how it's looking, very bouncy. So I just kind of run my fingers through it. As I said, it's 24 inches long, looks really good. So shout out to Unice Hair. The quality feels really nice and silky. Doesn't, like, it feels really nice and silky. It's not like overly shiny or anything. Luster is very natural looking. Not a lot of flyaways to deal with, so I kind of appreciate that, and it looks good. It looks good. So shout out to Unice once more for this bomb wig. You know, this is today's wig look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, but don't forget to go ahead and check out my description box for the information that will be listed down below. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.